ready to unlock the magic of animation by drawing each frame yourself. Let's dive into creating frame-by-frame animation in Adobe Animate for ultimate creative control. First, open Adobe Animate and create a new project, selecting the dimensions and frame rate you desire. Now, on the timeline, you will see your first frame. Use the drawing tools, the brush or pencil, to draw the first pose of your character or object. Next, create a new blank frame by right-clicking on the timeline and selecting Insert Blank Keyframe, or simply pressing F7. This creates a fresh canvas for your next drawing. Turn on onion skinning. This handy feature allows you to see a faded ghost image of the previous and subsequent frames, helping you visualize the movement and ensure smooth transitions. Now, draw the next pose of your animation in the new frame. Using the onion skin as a guide, repeat this process, creating a new blank keyframe and drawing the next pose for each frame of your animation. Once you've drawn all your frames, scrub through the timeline to preview your animation. Make adjustments as needed, refining each drawing until you achieve the desired look and feel. And that's it. Frame-by-frame animation gives you unparalleled control over every detail. Export your animation as a video or GIF to share your masterpiece with the world. Now get animating.